Do this to get a girl's attention. Hey there, it's Anna. Are you wondering how to catch a girl's attention in a way that is both effective and genuine? In today's video, we are focusing on just that. I will be sharing key actions and behaviors that can make you stand out and grab a girl's interest, from the power of engaging conversation to the impact of your presence. These tips are designed to make you more noticeable in the best way possible. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear strategy for drawing her attention and making a lasting impression. And remember, stick around until the end of the video for a very special bonus tip. It's an essential piece of advice that really brings together all of these points, enhancing your approach in a significant way. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive in. Show genuine interest in her life. A great way to start is by showing genuine interest in her life. Now, it's not just about asking questions, it's about the way that you do it. So let's dive into why this matters. People love talking about their passions and interests, and it's no different for the girl that you are interested in. Start by asking about her hobbies, favorite activities, or what excites her. Listen attentively when she speaks and show engagement by asking follow-up questions. This not only makes her feel valued, but also helps you understand her better. Avoid making the conversation about yourself. Keep the focus on her. Genuine curiosity about her life shows that you care about who she is, not just what she looks like. This approach is about building a connection based on mutual interests and understanding. Showing genuine interest in her life is effective because it creates a sense of importance and connection. It communicates that you value her as an individual, and when she sees that you are truly interested in knowing her, well, it sets a foundation for a deeper and more meaningful interaction. Be a good listener. Next up is all about becoming a good listener. It's one thing to hear what she's saying, but another to really listen. So let's understand why active listening is a key element in capturing her attention and interest. Active listening goes beyond just hearing words. It's about understanding and responding appropriately. When she talks, focus on her words, her tone, and emotions. Show that you are engaged by nodding, maintaining eye contact, and not interrupting. Respond with thoughtful comments or questions that show you are processing what she's saying. This demonstrates that you value her opinions and feelings. Avoid distractions and make the conversation about understanding her better. Good listening skills indicate respect and a genuine interest in her as a person, which can significantly deepen your connection. Being a good listener is effective because it shows empathy and respect. It makes her feel heard and appreciated, creating a comfortable environment for open communication. This attentiveness is attractive and builds trust, laying the groundwork for a meaningful and respectful relationship. Engage in light flirting. The art of light flirting. Done right, flirting can be a fun way to show your interest. Remember, it's all about being playful and respectful. So let's break down how to flirt effectively. Flirting, when done in a light and respectful manner, can be a charming way to catch her attention. It's all about creating a spark through playful teasing or subtle compliments. For instance, a gentle tease about her competitive nature in a game or a sincere compliment on her sense of humor can be endearing. The key is to keep it light and always be mindful of her reactions to ensure she is comfortable. Flirting should be about making her smile and laugh, not uncomfortable. It's an opportunity to show your witty and playful side, enhancing the connection between you both. Now, light flirting is effective because it adds a layer of excitement and playfulness to your interactions. It shows that you are interested in more than just friendship in a fun, non-threatening way. And when done respectfully, it can create a lively and enjoyable dynamic, setting the stage for a deeper mutual connection. As we get ready to jump into the next point, I would love to hear from you. If this video is helping you out, please show your support with a like, a comment, or by subscribing. Your engagement not only helps support the channel, but also guides the content we create for you. And I truly enjoy reading your comments and learning from your perspectives. Every like, comment, and person who subscribes is a huge encouragement. Show your sense of humor. Now, they say laughter is the best medicine, and it's also a great way to connect. Let's see why your natural sense of humor can be a key to making a lasting impression. Making her laugh is a wonderful way to draw attention. Humor can lighten the mood, break the ice, and show your personality. So share funny stories, make light-hearted comments, or even laugh at yourself in a humble way, of course. The goal is to enjoy the moments and share a laugh together, not to impress her with your jokes. It's crucial that your humor is respectful respectful and aligns with her sense of humour. A shared laugh can create an instant bond, showing her that you are fun to be around. It's about finding joy in your interactions and making her feel comfortable and entertained. Using your sense of humour effectively can create a memorable connection because it brings joy and ease into the conversation. Humour is a powerful tool for creating rapport, and when she associates you with laughter and good feelings, it naturally enhances your appeal and strengthens the bond between you. Show your intelligence. It's not just about what you know, but how you share it. Having stimulating conversations can be incredibly attractive. So let's explore how to showcase your intelligence without bragging. Intelligence is not just about academic achievements or professional success. It's also about your thoughts, ideas, and knowledge on various topics. So engage her in conversations that are thought-provoking and insightful. Share your insights on a book that you've read, a documentary you found fascinating, or your take on current events. The key is to keep the conversation two-sided, invite her views and listen genuinely. This shows that you value her intellect as well, so avoid turning it into a lecture or a chance to boast. The goal is to create an engaging exchange of ideas that stimulates both of your minds. Showing your intelligence by having meaningful conversations is effective because it demonstrates depth of character. It allows her to see you as someone who is not only interesting but also intellectually compatible, and this kind of interaction can lead to a stronger connection built on mutual respect and intellectual curiosity. Be active on social media. Our next point takes us to the digital world. Social media can be a great tool for connecting. Engaging with her online in a friendly and thoughtful way can make a positive impression. So let's delve into the right approach to this. Social media is a part of everyday life, and it can be a casual way to show your interest. Follow her posts and engage with them by leaving comments or reactions that are genuine and friendly. It could be a thoughtful comment or a photo that she shared, or a friendly reaction to a status update. Sharing content that you genuinely find interesting and think she might enjoy is also a good way to connect. Remember, the key is to be engaging without being overbearing. Your interactions should be lighthearted and respectful, showing that you are interested in her life and what she shares. Engaging on social media is effective because it's a low-pressure way to show your interest and stay connected. It allows for regular, casual interactions that can build rapport. And thoughtful online engagement shows that you are paying attention to her life and interests, which can be flattering and encourages more direct communication. Bonus tip: cultivate confidence and self-esteem. Let's talk about something fundamental. Beyond specific actions, your inner confidence plays a crucial role. So let's see why it's important and how it impacts your interactions. Confidence is about being comfortable with who you are and showing it. It's about having a positive view of yourself and your abilities. So work on your self-esteem by engaging in activities that make you feel good, setting personal goals and practicing self-compassion. When you feel confident, it naturally makes you more attractive. It affects your posture, your tone of voice, and how you interact with others. Confidence invites others to see the best in you. So remember, it's not just about trying to impress her, but also being a person that you are proud of. Cultivating confidence and self-esteem is valuable because it not only enhances how others perceive you, but also improves your own life experience. A confident person is more likely to engage in meaningful conversations, make genuine connections, and handles rejection or setbacks in a healthy way. It's all about being your very best self. So now that you've mastered how to get a girl's attention, what's next? Well, avoid these pitfalls with things that you should never do for a woman, or learn the art of charm with gestures that girls cannot resist. Don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more.